Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you something slightly different. I wanted to introduce you to my sweet sample kits. These kits are made up completely by me, completely independent of Stampin' Up. Obviously they do contain Stampin' Up products, but I've put them together with a selection of stuff that I think you could make some amazing projects with. I have, as you can see, I've tried to build it around the wood textures suite. If I just bring in the catalogue here, you'll see that there's quite a selection of projects that you can make, which are just on this page here, page 158. And as you can see, there are some really beautiful options. You've got obviously the crates going on here. As you're probably aware from other people that do kits, that we're not allowed to sell stamped images, so sadly I can't stamp on your crates or do anything like that. But so what's in my kits? We have the DSP, which is the Wood Textures DSP, and it's half a pack, so that's 24 sheets. So it's basically two of each sheet, so you get one that way and then one for the other side. So yeah, amazing options there of all the paper. So you get 24 sheets, which are in this lovely bag here. I have die cut 4 crates for you there, so there's actually 8 pieces, 4 in crumb cake and 4 in soft suede, so you have the options there to make up 4 wood crates yourself. There is a metre of the lovely burlap ribbon, which again I think is lovely and goes really well with this suite. There is a metre of the copper trim, which again is really lovely. I think this is so nice and you can do so much more with it. You get 3.5 metres of the linen thread, which again goes really well with this. You get one of the sheets of these nature I'll get it right in a minute, Touches of Nature elements. Now these are retiring products, so if you do want your this kit, you need to get in quite early, because I obviously have to get the order in, and these, as I say, these are retiring. But you just get one of these. You get 2 of these super cute boxwood wreaths, which I'm hoping you can see without the light reflecting. They open out, you can cut them in half. I think these would look great decorated round one of the wood crates. I've made them and put them on cards before now, but I think they would look fabulous around a crate. You also get 12 of these lovely gusseted cellophane bags, which are perfect for putting cards or little gifts in. They fit lovely inside the crates, and again obviously you could tie them up with the twine or the copper trim. And yes, you do get a little gold library clip that holds all of those together. So 12 of those, so you can really go to town and make some good stuff with those. I have die cut a selection of leaves and branches type things for you here. As you can see, there are different sort of leaves and shapes in there. I can't remember how many I cut, I just sat and did them. But I've done them in garden green, Cajun Craze and Lemon Lime Twist, which are the card that you get as well. Again, great addition to add to your crates, your cards, mix and match with stuff. And then you get 4 sheets of Garden Green, Lemon Lime Twist, Pumpkin Pie and Cajun Craze, and then you get 3 sheets of Whisper White and Very Vanilla. They are A4 sizes, and then they come in this lovely gift box that I will put together and send out to you. As I say, they are made completely independently of Stampin' Up. I've put them together myself. I've worked out the pricings for them all, and you can have all of this for £21, and that's including postage within the UK. If you do want them sent in overseas, then it's obviously to our European families, then if you could contact me, and obviously I'll work out the postage for you, because it will obviously be different to that within the UK, but I'm sure it won't be a great deal more. So yes, so these are very exciting. If you want to add the Woodwards and or the Wood Crate framelets, then obviously that's quite possible. You just let me know and I will stick them in your kit for you. The prices for these in the current catalogue, I'm just grabbing them out here, you can actually get them in a bundle for £42.25. So if you want these and you're thinking of getting these, it's worth getting them now while they're in a bundle, because come the new catalogue you can still buy them, but you'll have to buy them separately, so you don't get that nice little 10% discount of buying them together. But all the details are on my blog. If you want to purchase this, like I said, if you just click in the little link below that is the description, you will be given a link to my blog, and if you just click on that, obviously it will take you to my blog, and there you will have all the information, and my email address is on there for you to be able to contact me and tell me if you would like one of my kits and whether you would like to add the stamp or the stamp and the framelets. Fantastic opportunity to get a sample of the products. You get a nice selection of cardstock here. Obviously you've got some lovely die cut leaves, the boxwood wreaths, the bags, a lot of DSP really here, half a pack. You've got lovely ribbons, these lovely elements. What more could you want? Obviously you could want more, like I always do, and the stamp set would just finish this off lovely. I'll give you just a little sneak peek of something that I've made for, I think it's next week possibly. And this is just using the Foxy Friends bundle. I did use a different stamp for the sentiment, but as you can see I've used a soft suede card, and then I've just used a strip of the DSP, and I actually got 4 cards out of 1 sheet of DSP, and these little 3x3s fit perfectly in your crate because they go in the bags, in the crate, perfect. And that's, as I say, that's using the Foxy Friends, but you can use any stamps and stuff you've got to coordinate with this. Doesn't need to be that one. So yeah, hop along to my blog, and if you want one, just drop me an email and let me know, and I will get it sorted for you. Hope to hear from you all again soon, and I hope to speak to you soon. Bye!